Hello everyone, Linda Borghi here, and I am stirring the pot. That is a vortex. And what am I stirring into this pot is really what's special. Okay, I'm going to give you a recipe for what my protocol is for growing no matter where I am. Okay? So, I'm going to give you it for a 250 square foot plot. First of all, I always have sage on hand clearing the energy, because I'm all about the energy. So the first thing I'm going to put in the pot is licorice. That's right, folks, licorice. Not the kind we chew on. This is for the earth. And here is the licorice. It is 2 ounces of licorice in the pot. The next part of my protocol is resonator. Now this is if you're going to apply it once a week, which that's what I do. Resonator. 1 ounce of resonator. The next part of my protocol is Earth Angels. Earth Angels gets a half a teaspoon. And now, compost tea in a box. That is a 2-part ingredient. The first part being the Earth Vigor, and this is what is going to feed all that microbial action. And we're going to give it 3 scoops of this. That is Earth Vigor, and what that is all of the everything that the microbes need in order to really do their thing. And here, my friends, is the most important part of it all for me, and it is the Earth Compound, and this is biodynamic compost that was grown on a farm that's been owned by the same family for 350 years. And now, here is the compost, and I will put this in the pot. Let me just tighten everything up here. And now, what I'm going to do is I am going to stir this pot for 1 hour. And I'm going to stir it like this. Let's see if I could do this. Let's see what... I have to check the time. Forming a vortex. And immediately forming chaos and going in the opposite direction. Now, why would I do that? Well, this is biodynamics, and this is a vortex, and for the next hour, I am going to be imprinting my intentions upon this water. Now, how do I do that? I do that just by thought forms. Anyone can do this. Water has memory. And so therefore, what's going to happen at the end of my stirring, all of those intentions are going to be planted into this water. And then I'm going to go out and I'm going to apply it. Okay? Now, if anyone wants to find out about this process or about what these ingredients are, please go to farm-a-yard biodynamex.com, and right in the menu it says soil, a solution to climate change. And you will find in there a 38-page PDF. And I suggest you read every word, because when you're done, you're going to know more, much more about water, about vortexes, about biodynamics, and how soil is a solution to climate change. And you know what? I've had this intention for such a long time now that we are going to spray the country. You know, years ago I participated in Hands Across America. I was a block leader, actually. And everybody to pay $10 to be on that line, you know, and we held Hands Across America. And what happened after that? We sang Kumbaya and it was over. But I'll tell you, if we spray the country on one day using this Java Juice, this magic potion, the energy field will shift, and that's where we need the shift, folks. Okay, I will catch you on the flip side. I'm going into my stirring mode. I wish you all a wonderful day, and go farm your yard.